Alright y'all, let's get into this brisket pancit video. We're going to start off with a tablespoon of sesame oil in the wok. Now we're going to open up some of that leftover brisket and give it a little chop. Make sure that they're all bite-sized pieces. Get it into that wok and start frying it up. We are cooking over medium-high heat. Give it a little mix, break it down so it's not all stuck together. Now we add 1 small onion and a couple cloves of garlic. Now that we've got that in there, we're going to mix it up, make sure she cooks all nice and evenly. Get that going for a few minutes, and then we're going to work on our vermicelli. Let's get that covered in hot water. Even just from the tap is fine. You don't need to boil it. It's a pretty thin noodle. Let's get a handful of coleslaw in there, or some cabbage and carrots, whatever you want to do. I just used a handful of coleslaw because it's easier. Give it a little mix and let her go for another few minutes. For the sauce, we did 2 cups of beef broth, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of sugar. Give that a little mix. We're going to bring that up to a boil. So it's been a few minutes. We've got that sauce coming up to a boil now. We're going to shut off the heat and take it off the element. Let's get that vermicelli in there. Now we're going to give it a good toss up. Make sure it's all mixed up very well. A little sprinkle of sesame seed and